Conjugation of the verb to catch in 12 English tenses. 1. Simple present, I catch. 2. Simple past, I caught. 3. Simple future, I will catch. 4. Present continuous, I am catching. 5. Past continuous, I was catching. 6. Future continuous, I will be catching. 7. Present perfect, I have caught. 8. Past perfect, I had caught. 9. Future perfect, I will have caught. 10. Present perfect continuous, I have been catching. 11. Past perfect continuous, I had been catching. 12. Future perfect continuous, I will have been catching. Conjugation of the verb to catch, he, she or it. 1. Simple present, he, she or it catches. 2. Simple past, he, she or it caught. 3. Simple future, he, she or it will catch. 4. Present continuous, he, she or it is catching. 5. Past continuous, he, she or it was catching. 6. Future continuous, he, she or it will be catching. 7. Present perfect, he, she or it has caught. 8. Past perfect, he, she or it had caught. 9. Future perfect, he, she or it will have caught. 10. Present perfect continuous, he, she or it has been catching. 11. Past perfect continuous, he, she or it had been catching. 12. Future perfect continuous, he, she or it will have been catching. Conjugation of the verb to catch, you, we or they. 1. Simple present, you, we or they catch. 2. Simple past, you, we or they caught. 3. Simple future, you, we or they will catch. 4. Present continuous, you, we or they are catching. 5. Past continuous, you, we or they were catching. 6. Future continuous, you, we or they will be catching. 7. Present perfect, you, we or they have caught. 8. Past perfect, you, we or they had caught. 9. Future perfect, you, we or they will have caught. 10. Present perfect continuous, you, we or they have been catching. 11. Past perfect continuous, you, we or they had been catching. 12. Future perfect continuous, you, we or they will have been catching. Verb to catch forms. Present simple I, you, we, they catch. He, she, it catches. Past simple caught. Past participle caught. Ing form catching.